hate it. Holy shit! Nah, bitch! Hello. Yay. Let's go. Episode July. I didn't want to put this up on Reddit just for it to be called a piece of fiction. I don't even know where to start. Excuse my lack of good story tellings. I guess I just start. Yeah. It was middle of the summer. Okay. My parents had left for that weekend to a work trip, which meant I was all by myself for the weekend. Let's go. Also, I feel like I have to mention that my sleep schedule was really messed up around this time. We sleep and get up at just about any time of the day. So, oh, didn't let me finish. I'm okay. Let me get up. Oh, hello. Wait, I woke up at around 8 after a nap that day. Damn, if I would take a nap at afternoon, I will wake up at next day. We'll wake up next day. This I did have homework that night, but I was too hungry to do it right after waking up. Okay, gotta eat first. Let's go. Damn, you guys have nice house. Oh, mom. What's up? So then I might be back by Sunday evening. Why are you being so paranoid? Mom, I'm 40. Bro, I'm just 40. Who is in puberty. I think I'm gonna take other. Probably gonna order. No need to order any. I already made you lasagna this morning. Check the fridge. Okay. La 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 la. Oh my god. Okay. This. Of course, it's cold. It's in the freezer. Fridge. Freezer. Ding. This a whole has lasagna. Okay. Chucky pink. Chucky pink. Oh. Coco Crunch. Food was nice. Okay. You watch TV, but I watch YouTube while I eat. It was some stuff, I guess. When that screen. Oh my god. Okay. So there we go. Are we even watching? Potato. Oh, like that. Okay. We're gonna finish this. Holy shit. Look, I saw Sama. I'm gonna go upstairs. What? The door didn't even creak. Okay. Oh, someone is upstairs. I don't like this. Why? Are we gonna sleep? Okay. Shit. Wait. Yeah. We are gonna have to call it off, man. Something just came up. But you gotta come to Jessica's tomorrow. Now, eh, I have a question. Why the So he went back door. Hello. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, this is creeping me. Hey, why did I leave that open? Where the hell is that motherfucker? I don't know. Bro. Someone came up. He's in the parents' room, master bedroom. 12:38 a.m. Okay. I, I got done with homework for the day. Okay. Did I able to? It's pretty bright. My sleep schedule is much worse. Mom, what's up, mom? I'm sorry, mahal. Gotta see you tomorrow. Don't forget. Chill out, dude. Oh, good. I'll probably just go back to bed after camp. Yeah, I finish it. Hello. Don't stay up too late. I shouldn't get to hear from Mrs. Paula this time. I'm going to bed. You gotta chill. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Why though? Hearing the clock sound is gonna scare her. Yes, I didn't see any clock. I will only have this. Yo, what the hell is that? I heard that. What the hell? Hey, yo. What the fuck? Hey, yo, wait. Give me a second. I don't like this. Just gonna get water, right? That's all. I don't like. Okay. I'm not fine. Oh, what the hell? This is creeping me out. What's up? I need water. Oh, there's a fries. Okay. Can I go? It's creepy. Okay, I'm going. Didn't even open the lights. Then. Okay, close that. We are. Yeah. What the hell? I'm gonna. Alright, click. Damn. Okay. I like his water. I only drink 2 cups a day. Pretty unhealthy. Going now. I did. Okay. Yeah. Yo. Who the hell? Dog, I don't know who's that. I don't know. I have no idea. Could you guys call the police? Scare me. Yes. I won't. I know, stranger danger. You're staying here. Bye, dog. Oh, you break the door. You gonna pay for that. It's like $100 window. Who's that? Tell Paula to just go inside. He already broke the window. I don't think so. Everything's gonna. No. I doubt I'm gonna die. I hate it. Holy shit! Nah, bitch! Those are fucking. No. Did you just call the car? Oh, there we go. Wee. Bro, that shit scared me. Is that all? Oh. Oh. Nearby. Let's go. There's paparazzi outside. I'm joking. What's up? Get in here. I'm not going out. That shit scared